Hi, today we will be fixing Beats Solo version 2 headphones. The problem is that one side doesn't give out any sound. You will be needing a soldering kit and a multimeter. This is a typical problem for all Beats Solo version 2 headphones. The problem lies in the headphones construction, which to be honest is pretty bad. And that's why wires can get damaged from inside, but for safety purposes let's check if it's still intact. What do you know, the wire is still in one piece. First, clarify on which side the wire is damaged. Turn on some kind of music and whilst moving the corpus, try to get some kind of sound out of it. When the damaged side is located, we can finally get to fixing it. Take the flathead screwdriver and rip off the ear pad. It's holding on thanks to the both-sided scotch tape. Then remove the 3 adjacent screws which hold the corpus. We can see that the problem is with the leaving wire. Let's continue the dismantling. Remove the black tape to reach couple of screws which also need to be removed. Then separate the plastic corpus from the rubber mount. After that, remove the glue which covers the wire. Now it's possible to see the damaged wire up close. With some help from the screwdriver, remove the screws which hold the rubber mount. Cut the wire in the damaged location, and since it's now too short to be relinked with pincers, pull the wire through some other place, so it would be longer and we could solder a new wire next to it. Prepare the wire for soldering, then also solder the new end of the wire since it will be connected later. Then put the rubber mount back on with the screws. Now solder on the new wire piece and isolate it with some tape. Now check if it actually works, because you never know. If everything seems good, attach it with glue to evade further problems. Then put the next part on with screws and rubber mount. Solder the wires back on the main board and attach the main mount screw. Put on the last part, and when all the screws are in their places, put the ear pad back on. Now the headphones are good as new. If you run into some problems, leave a comment and hopefully I can help you. But if everything worked out as hoped, then leave a like and maybe even donate to support further projects.